Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2021 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic is barely broken in with only 1,408 miles on the clock. It runs well, passes New Hampshire State inspection, and is ready for the road. Powered by a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 V-twin, the TRIGLIDE moves with authority, with 100 horsepower and 121 foot-pounds of torque. Power is going to the wheels through a smooth shifting 6-speed transmission and low-maintenance belt drive. It offers comfortable seating, wind protection, and plenty of storage for all your gear. From the factory, it comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, as well as electronic reverse and navigation. The TRIGLIDE weighs in at 1,203 pounds and has a 28.9-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.